Klipsch The Nines are the largest active bookshelf speakers in the Klipsch lineup. Many bloggers praise these speakers for their excellent sound quality. The most useful reviews can be found later via the links in the description. However, Klipsch does have a few notable drawbacks. In this video, we'll analyze these shortcomings, highlight ways to address them, and of course give credit where it's due. Good day, dear friends. My name is Arkadiy Zenin, and I'm the founder of the company Premium Hi-Fi. We are located in Riga, and we connect people with sound. On the real panel of the Klipsch The Nines, you'll find numerous ports that make these speakers versatile and user-friendly. First and foremost is HDMI ARC. This is the ideal choice for a TV. One cable, and the sound from movies of series fills the room. The TV remote can control the speaker's volume. Let's try it. Now I increase my TV volume from TV remote. It works great.
Вот она магия. Все управляется с одного пульта. Это просто здорово, дорогие друзья.
Next is the optical input, a great option for older TVs, Blu-ray players or CD players. If you need sound from a computer, the convenient USB-B port allows you to transfer digital signal directly. For analog source enthusiasts, there's an RCA input with a phono line switch. Connect a turntable with an cartridge and enjoy analog sound. The built-in phono preamp in Klipsch is of average quality. So for maximum sound quality, it's advisable to use an external phono preamp. For other sources like CD players, use the line mode. If you have an older player or a smartphone with a 3.5mm jack, connect it via AUX. There's also a subwoofer output. Connect an active subwoofer to add more depth to the bass. True, in my opinion, there's already plenty of bass. And if you don't like wires, Bluetooth 5.0 with support for codecs up to aptX is also included. The size of the Klipsch The Nines is impressive. They are genuinely huge, and placing them on a small shelf is quite problematic. It's better to order branded stands right away via the link in the description. Klipsch The Nines come in two finishes, walnut and black ebony. I have the walnut version for testing. The design is stunning, and the build quality is excellent. The speakers look vintage, expensive, elegant, attractive, and fit perfectly into the interior. I especially liked the magnetic grills. The walnut version comes with light-colored grills, but I personally prefer how the Klipsch The Nines look without grills. What about you? Let me know in the comments. The speakers use the patented Tractrix horn technology for the titanium dome tweeter. This technology directs sound with maximum precision and minimal distortion, creating a clearer and more detailed sound, characteristic of Klipsch products. The tweeter receives 20 watts of power from the amplifier. The horn looks impressive, occupying about half of the front panel area. Klipsch The Nines use 8-inch mid-range drivers. These are made from pressed paper, ensuring a balance between lightness and rigidity. This material allows for high sensitivity and minimal distortion, a hallmark of Klipsch drivers. The mid-bass driver receives 100 watts of power from the amplifier. The total power of the stereo part is 240 watts, with peak power reaching almost 500 watts. Sound pressure at a 1 meter distance reaches 150 dB, which is truly impressive and makes Klipsch The Nines suitable not only for stereo use, but also for home theater applications. Another important technical feature that enhances sound quality is the use of B-amping. This means each speaker has a separate amplifier with dedicated power for each driver. This high-end solution improves resolution and channel separation, contributing to better imaging of sound sources. Frequency separation between the tweeters and woofer is managed by a DSP, minimizing distortion and ensuring sound clarity. The powerful DSP module tunes the Nines into an intelligent audio device. This digital signal processor works seamlessly, but its impact on sound quality is hard to overestimate. One key function of the DSP is dynamic bass EQ, which can be activated via the Klipsch app. This technology automatically adjusts bass level based on volume. Even at low volumes, the bass remains rich and deep, making movies and music especially enjoyable. When a subwoofer is connected, the DSP distributes frequencies between the speakers and the subwoofer. This creates perfectly balanced sound without the need for manual crossover adjustments. Moreover, through the Klipsch app, users can configure a 3-band equalizers, select sound presence, flat, rock, vocal, and order, or activate features like night mode for quiet evening sessions. Let's compare the Klipsch The Nines with similar active speakers. KEF LS50 Wireless II is also positioned as one of the best active speakers in its class. They offer precise detail and excellent sound staging, thanks to the unique coaxial driver, which minimizes phase distortion. Unlike the Nines, the LS50 Wireless II features built-in Wi-Fi and support for Tidal, Spotify Connect, AirPlay, and other streaming services. KEF LS50 Wireless II delivers less bass than the Nines and is more suitable for natural and analytical sound. They can connect to the network, making them more convenient for streaming, but they are less friendly for vinyl enthusiasts. Klipsch The Fives are the more compact younger version of the Nines, also from Klipsch. They support HDMI ARC and offer similar sound but with less power. On the premium hi-fi channel there's a review available. Check the link in the description. Unlike the Nines, the Fives offer a more modest bass level and overall loudness, making them better suited for smaller spaces. However, they remain one of the best options for seeking Klipsch audio in a smaller package at a lower price. JBL 4305P is an active speaker from JBL's professional lineup. They feature Wi-Fi, Chromecast support, and streaming via AirPlay, making them more versatile with various services. They deliver powerful bass and precise detail, characteristic of JBL. JBL 4305P is smaller than the Nines and designed for more versatile use, including streaming. However, they lack the massive bass output of Klipsch, but offer more natural sound. So, let's summarize the earlier points and move forward. Klipsch The Nines are best suited for those who want big sound with rich bass and classic Klipsch heritage style design. If built-in streaming features are essential, it's better to consider KEF LS50 Wireless II or JBL 4305P. For a less large-scale but still high-quality active speaker, consider the Audioengine HD6 or Klipsch The Fives. As promised, I'll talk about the shortcomings and ways to overcome them. Number 1. Although the speakers have a phono preamp, its quality remains average. To achieve the best sound quality when listening to vinyl, it's recommended to use an external phono preamp, which adds extra cost. For example, consider a quality phono preamp from FiiO Audio, NAD, or Lemon Audio. Check the link in the description. Premium hi-fi ships order across Europe. If you'd like to personally audition your chosen audio components, feel free to visit our cozy litter store. We're located in Riga and connect people with sound. Number 2. Unlike other smart speakers, the Nines do not support Wi-Fi, AirPlay, Spotify Connect, Tidal Connect, or other streaming services. This means that wireless playback requires Bluetooth, which may limit sound quality compared to Wi-Fi or wired connections. However, if you connect the Nines to a TV, the smart TV can serve as a streamer by installing apps like Tidal, Spotify, TuneIn, etc. This provides streaming, internet radio, and a home theater experience. The only limitation is the lack of multi-room functionality. Visit us at Premium Hi-Fi to hear it for yourself, and I'll show you how it works. Number 3. The Klipsch app is somewhat basic if users are accustomed to more advanced apps with deeper settings. Personally, I found the simplicity to be a benefit for Klipsch, as everything you need is easy to find. Number 4. The Nines require significant space around them for optimal sound, especially that, around 12 inches from the wall. This can be inconvenient for users who need to place the speakers in a confined space. Indeed, at 12 to 16 inches from the wall, the speakers sound better and more spacious than when integrated into a shelf, as seen behind me. However, the Klipsch apps allow you to adjust the speakers based on the placement in a corner, open space, or against a wall. I used these settings and even on a shelf, Klipsch The Nines sound great. In open space they sound even better. Let's finish discussing the shortcomings and move on to the sound. Folks, despite the previously mentioned drawbacks, the Nines are amazing. First, their design is outstanding, and they look fantastic in any interior. Second, the sound quality is simply excellent. I have the opportunity to compare the sound of many audio systems and amplifiers, but Klipsch products like the Fives and the Nines sound exceptional in their price category. The Nines impress me with their scale. They have so much bass that I see no need to connect a subwoofer. Thanks to the dynamic bass boost feature, the bass remains distinct, precise, and never excessive or insufficient at any volume level. Thanks to the placement tuning feature, whether you place them in a corner, near to wall, or on a shelf, the sounds remain balanced, natural, and detailed. The vocal range is exceptionally well articulated. No matter what you're listening to music of any genre of watching movies, the dialogue and vocals always sound top-notch. Thanks to Klipsch's signature core technology, the high frequencies and cinematic effects come true with exceptional clarity and emphasis. Honestly, I can't even compare this sound to anything else. It's just that good. Looking at the frequency response of the Klipsch The Nines, it's nearly a flat line, akin to what you'd expect from studio monitors or high-quality hi-fi systems. And because these speakers are active, you don't have to stress over which amplifier to pair with them, that cables to buy, or what source to use. These speakers sound fantastic with any digital source. Plus, wherever you place them on a shelf or stand, you can easily tweak their sound to match your preferences. Sure, the built-in equalizer might feel a bit basic with only 3 bands, but honestly, for most people that's more than enough. 3 bands allow for sufficient adjustment without overcomplicating things. If we compare the sound of Klipsch The Nines to the Reflector Audio ZA3, which are reference-grade studio monitors with phase linear characteristics, the Reflector Audio speakers are undoubtedly more natural and spacious. Their sound is entirely uncolored, offering a truly reference-level performance. On the other hand, the Klipsch The Nines can be described as natural. Their sound is colored, vibrant, beautifully articulate, and expansive. Their speakers add a unique spice to the sound, making the listening experience even more enjoyable. They combine melodiousness, analytical precision, drive, and scale. Simply put, they are powerful, elegant, and absolutely fantastic. I must confess, I am guilty of indulgence. I currently have both the Reflector Audio ZA3 and Klipsch The Nines hooked up to my TV. The reflectors are connected via optical cable through a DAC, while the Klipsch are connected via HDMI. Yes, adjusting the volume separately for each setup is a bit inconvenient, but the resulting sound is worth it. Together, they create an incredible wall of sound, blending the unmatched accuracy of the Reflector Audio ZA3 with the divine punch and clarity of the Klipsch The Nines. It's pure magic, a total game changer. Thanks for watching, dear friends. If you enjoyed this review and want more like it, subscribe to the channel and click the bell so you won't miss new release. Let me know in the comments what you think of the Klipsch The Nines, and if you are in Riga, come by Premium Hi-Fi for a listen. That's all for now. May the force of the right sound be with you.